Good morning, dear student. Student, you write the question answer. Yes, from chapter 1. So, in the last class, almost question answer is completed. So only left D question. Write the inventors and year of invention. So, yes, student, you read and learn also computer question answer. Okay, just asking to you some question. Are you ready for the answer? So yes, so your first very short answer. Name any two devices the early man used to count with. Yes, what's the answer, student? Stone and fingers, pebbles, stick. Okay, write any two. And second, who described the knowledge of abacus in India? Yes, so who described the knowledge of abacus in India? Abhidharma Kosa. Yes, student. So Abhidharma Kosa described the knowledge of abacus in India. Very good. And who invented Pascaline and when? So Blaise Pascal invented Pascaline and in 1642. Okay, student. And name the two machine invented by Charles Babbage. So Blaise Pascal and difference engine and different analytical engine. Okay, student. Yes, so name the two machine invented by Charles Babbage. First, difference engine and second, analytical engine. And which machine was used to read census information? So Mark 1 machine was used to, not Mark 1, tabulating machine. Okay, student, tabulating machine was used to read census information. And which machine is considered to be the beginning era of computer? So Mark 1 machine is considered to be the beginning era of computer. Okay, student? Yes, and what's the full form of ENIAC and UNIVAC? ENIAC, electronic, numerical integrated and computer, and UNIVAC, universal automatic computer. So next, your D question. Write page number 12. Write the inventors and year of inventions. So first, abacus. And here, who inventor? And here, years. And second, Pascaline, and third, Mark 1, fourth, UNIVAC, and fourth is tabulating machine. Tabulating machine, and fifth UNIVAC, and sixth PC. Okay students, so that's your D question. So who invented abacus and which year? So Chinese. Chinese, okay, and 16th century. Okay, and Pascaline, Blaise Pascal, 1642. Mark I, Howard Akins, Akins, 1942, and tabulating machine, Colonel College, 19. Okay students, and UNIVAC, Eckert and John Eckert and Marsden. So right here about the John Eckert and John Marsden. And when 1946. So then UNIVAC. So UNIVAC, (1951), and PC, that IBM International Business Machine, and 1994. Okay students, so that's your complete D question. Write the inventors and year of invention. Clear? And one question in this chapter left, puzzle time. Okay, so look, complete the crossword using the clues. Okay, student. So that's your puzzle question. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And look. And one, two, three, four, five. Okay, student, clear your puzzle format. So first question here. First letter M. Second question and your fourth question and third question here. And fifth question here. Okay. Yes. So first question. It was the first electronic computer. So this is left to right question. It was the first electronic computer. So mark 1. A R K 1. Okay, student. Yes. So this is a first complete your puzzle question. And second, another name of mark 1 down to this type. So the answer is A as C. Okay, student. Yes. Automatic sequence controller calculator. Okay, automatic sequence calculator controller calculator. And third, it is invented by Eckert and Marshall. So ENIAC. Okay, third question left to right. And fourth, first calculator device. So this is a first calculating device is abacus. Okay, student. Yeah. So starting from here, A B A C U S abacus. Okay, student. And your fifth question, it was invented by Blaise Pascal. So Pascaline machine. Okay student, here Pascaline. Okay student, so your complete puzzle. First answer Mark 1, second ASCC, third ENIAC, fourth Abacus, and fifth Pascaline machine. So complete your puzzle. And student, look, you have computer worksheet book. Yes. So student, so that's open the page. First chapter, evolution of computer. In this, so do the self, that one. Okay, first activity, so match the following. So total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 activity had in the first worksheet. Okay, first chapter. So first match the following, student. So you know that Abacus, Napier bone, Pascaline. So which answers for suitable that Abacus? So Abacus is a first calculator. Okay student? Yes. So Abacus is a first calculating device. So match from that 1 to B. And Napier bones. So here are question and in this side answer. So please match the following. Which answer is right for that question? Suppose your ENIAC. Okay. So what's the correct answer for ENIAC and UNIVAC? Okay. Suppose your Mark 1 is here. To Mark 1, first electronic digital computer. Okay student, so you match, do this type. And second activity, write the answer in one word. So name the first calculating device. Name the first calculating device. So Abacus. Okay. Which machine was invented to be used for census? Okay. So which machine used for the census, student? You know well, in the first chapter, yes, tabulating machine used for census. And what was invented by IBM in 1944? So PC. So here are 10 questions. Okay. So do the self and write third activity. What is that? So third activity is write full form for the following: ENIAC, electronic numerical integrator and computer; UNIVAC, universal automatic computer; IBM, international business machine; PC, personal computer, advanced technology; and ASCC. So that's what's the full form? ASCC, automatic sequence controller calculator, and UNIVAC. Okay, so have full form in your first chapter and write the year of invention of the following, student. Okay, so which year invention of this machine? ENIAC, UNIVAC, Mark 1, tabulating machine, and Pascaline. And third and last your activity 5 is name the following calculating machine. So what the machine name is? Abacus, and this machine name is Napier bones, and this is PC, and this is a ENIAC machine Mark 1. Okay student? Yes. So that's your complete first chapter and first worksheet book. Okay. So in this class we have done the question answer related with the book and related with the worksheet. Okay, student. So your next chapter, second, is classification of computer. Okay, student. So your second chapter, classification of computer. Okay, student. So in the next class we will read about the classification of computer, types of computer. Okay, student. Yes. So you are ready for the second chapter? The second chapter is classification of computer. So first of all, complete the first chapter question answer, write in the copy. Okay, and in the next class we will read about the second chapter, classification of the computer. Thank you so much, student.